Hi guys, this is Dr. Joseph from Krishna Jayanti School of Management. Today we'll see how to use macros to do certain simple things. Macros are nothing but a feature, tool of Excel that will help us to automate certain things which we do most often repetitive in nature, which we do manually. So certain things, those things which we want to automate, which we do it on a regular basis, can be automated with the help of a macro. Generally, how do we do it? We have to write a code program for that. And here what happens is, when we do it with macros will record whatever we do, and it will reproduce the recording, because macros at the back end, it will be writing the program for what we are doing. So whenever we run the macro, once again what we have recorded, automatically macro will reproduce the things what we have recorded. So to demonstrate that, today we'll use a small formatting option to teach you how to do macros. So let me first create a data table, and then I'll explain, you will better understand. So I'm going to create a data table like this, a simple data table. Okay, so I'm going to give a border to it, align it to the center. So now I'm going to bold this. I'm going to make in italics, and then I'm going to fill it with a yellow color, and also I need to change the font color into red color. I want to highlight the font in red color. Let me make it big so that it is visible. Okay. So that's what I want to do. So for example, this task, every time when I go through a report, I need to do a couple of times to highlight a customer or to highlight a particular transaction. I need to bold, make it into italics, fill it with yellow color, and then highlight the font with red color. So this routine task, I need to make couple of clicks. Say 4 clicks I need to make to do this. So can I do it in one single option with the help of a macros? So that's what we are trying to do. So it is possible to do in one click or by using one particular shortcut. When we use Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, we use a shortcut to copy and paste. Similar to that, we can set a shortcut for that, so that by pressing one key or a one key combination, we can get our things done. So we'll see how to do macros to automate that particular process. So first I'm just selecting this cell A1, so that what I'm telling Excel is, whenever we are doing formatting, we should tell Excel where we are going to do the formatting. So same principle. So I'm clicking here because I want to format this particular cell A1. So before I do the formatting, I should be on the record mode, similar to how we record our audio songs or when we take video. So first we should go on the record mode, and so that Excel will record whatever we do. So Excel will record our mouse clicks and our keyboard presses. It will not record the time. So how much of a time, how much of a break you give, Excel will not calculate and record the time, but it will calculate our actions, what we do with the help of mouse and the keyboard. So to do the macros, we have to go to the view menu. Under the view menu, the last option in the ribbon, which says macro. When you click on that, you will get a small menu over there. In the last option, you have something called as use relative references. We have learnt there are two types of references. One is relative references and another one is absolute reference. While recording macros, it's advisable to be on the relative reference mode. So I have to click once on relative reference. Now we are in the relative reference mode, so it's better we are on that mode, and then you go and click on the record macros. When you click on the record macros, this record macro window will open. So we need to give the name for the macro. So I'm giving the name as formatting. I'll give it as format, and then we need to create a shortcut key. So shortcut key is given as, like, say, Ctrl plus something else. So generally Ctrl plus a keyboard key in the keyboard will be inbuilt function. So I'm going to press my shift button down, hold it, and simultaneously I'm going to press the button U. So now I have shift plus control plus shift plus U. This is a rare combination which we use it generally in Excel for any shortcut. So I'm going to record my action, which is bold italics and bold italics, fill color and highlight color. But while I'm recording, I'm going to assign that program to this particular shortcut. So whenever I press Control Shift plus U, automatically that formatting option will be done. And the next one is store macro in this workbook. There are a couple of options over there: new workbook, this workbook, and personal macro workbook. If you want the macro to run only in this workbook, this is the one you should select, which is this workbook. If you want macros to work in all your workbooks, so you have to create this personal macro workbook, so that in your laptop or in your desktop, whenever you open Excel, that shortcut will work. But when you're working in computer lab, cyber cafe, or when you're working in others computer, it's better to use this store macro in this workbook, so that it will not disturb the others who may open the Excel and work. So description is not mandatory, you can give on that. So I'll just give it as trial one. Okay, so click on OK. Once you click on OK, you'll be on the record mode. All your mouse clicks and keyboard presses will be recorded. So don't make anything unnecessary, any unnecessary click or unnecessary keyboard presses, because it's like, imagine it's audio recording. When you make some unnecessary noises, everything will be getting recorded. So same way, when you may press any unnecessary key, or when you make unnecessary mouse clicks, everything will be recorded. So look at the status bar. You have this record symbol. It means excuse me, macro is we are in record mode. So you can see here, when I move my mouse button over there, it says a macro is currently recording. Okay, so now here we have to record it, our action. So my task is in this cell. So let me go to the home menu. So I'm just making a click on this cell, and then I need to bold it, I need to make it into italics, I need to fill it with a color, I need to highlight the font in red color, and then I need to stop recording. You can just press this button and you can see this button disappears. It means I have stopped recording. So we need to run and check. So before I do that, I select the next cell. So I want to check whether my macro is working. So I'm going to apply the formatting on this cell, which is A2. So go to view macros, and then you select view macros, and you can see here your macro is already created in the name format. I have to just click on this run, and you can see here it is working. So let me do that one more time with cell A3 and here also it is working. So this is how we do it. So our objective was to use a shortcut. So let me see whether my shortcut is working. Shortcut, what it was Control plus Shift plus U. So let me try that. Yeah, Control plus Shift plus U, it is working. So what had happened is macros recorded our actions, and it is stored in that particular macro, which is format. Let me check. When you click on this edit, now you are taken to this window called as Visual Basic Editor. Now this is a language which Excel uses on the Excel to record all our clicks. So here if you see, whatever we did, it has been recorded over there. So we had selected this color, and we have made it into italics, bold. So all of whatever we have done, everything has been given, and the shortcut is also assigned as Control plus Shift plus U. This, you may not know how to write this code, but don't worry, everything Excel has done it for us. So once you complete the recording, now you have to store the you have to save this file. You can't save it as a normal Excel file. Generally when you store Excel file, it will be stored as .xls format. So here we need to store it in .xlm format. .xlsm format, which is a macro enabled workbook. So I'll show you how to save the file. Go to File menu, click on Save As, and then you choose a file location. Choose a file location for your file. So I go to this particular file location, and then you give a file name. So I'm going to give format macro. So here, before you apply the save button, go to the next option which is Save As Type. click on that, and then you select the second option which says Excel macro enabled workbook. So when you save a file with macros, you should save it in this file type, which is Excel macro enabled workbook, and then you press the save button. So now that will be saved as .xlsm format. So this is how we do a simple macro. Thanks for watching. Join me in the next video. If you like my video, please like, please subscribe it, and then please share it. Thank you so much.